Hi guys, it's your girl Michelle. Welcome to another episode of Taster Time. And on this episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your okra soup, or otherwise known as your ladyfinger soup. Let's even talk about the health benefits of okra. It's rich in magnesium, it's rich in folates, it's rich in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K1 and vitamin A. It also has amazing antioxidant properties. It's good for pregnant women, it's good for diabetic patients, and it also helps regulate your blood sugar. Wow, this okra is really amazing. So this is one meal you should add to your meal plan. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back with the introduction of ingredients.
Hi, my name is Tosin Pedro.
Your short glass boyfriend, Smooth Prince. I go by the name Kelvin Budge, aka Lalo.
Hi, my name is Elfrida.
My name is Phil, aka the commercial guy.
I go by name Mix Kid. I'm happy to be here. My name is Desmond Kid. I'm a comedian.
And keep watching
iBrandTV.
Because it's a big TV. Don't off that TV.
Stay tuned, don't go nowhere.
Welcome back from the break. Now let me take you through my ingredients for the day. Of course, I have my most important ingredient of the day, my sliced okra. I have some blended okra here too, my meat stock, assorted meat, palm oil, blended pepper, smoked fish, blended onion, some cow skin, otherwise known as pomo, dried crayfish, stockfish, some blended crayfish, pumpkin leaf, some seasoning cubes, and salt to taste. Now let's get to the business of the day. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to be showing you my best recipe for okra soup. You know, there are so many other recipes, but this one is really nice. Okay, so this is my palm oil. I'm going to be adding my palm oil. Subsequently, I'll be showing you other healthy ways of making okra soup. So I'm just going to wait for this to be hot. Okay, so this is hot now. I'm just going to add my blended onion. And my blended pepper. And my blended crayfish. I'm just going to saute this for a while. Okay, so I'm just going to add some seasoning cubes. This baby's right here. I'm not going to add my salt yet because I do not want it to be too salty. So it's going to be the last thing I'll add. Let's just leave this to dry up for a while. Okay, so I'm going to add my stockfish. Give this a little stir. I'm going to add my meat. This way the ingredients will marry themselves. So I'm just going to add my cow's food. And my fried crayfish. I'm going to stir. I'm going to leave this on fire for 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add my fish, my smoked Titus fish. Have to stir carefully. Stir carefully. To add my meat stock. I'm going to cover this till it boils. Okay, so let's check how far this has gone. Oh my god! Come on, this is looking really nice. Now it's time to add my blended okra. I blended this okra to give it that slimy. Okay, so I blended this okra to give it that slimy feel, like. As you can see, it's, oh my god. I'm tasting this food myself today. I'm not giving it to anybody. Okay, so now it's time to add this. I love chewing my okra, so this is not even going to waste time at all. And last but not least, I'm just going to sprinkle some pumpkin leaf. Are you still thinking whether you should add this to your meal? You better do. I love my vegetables fresh, so I have to say this is ready. And finally, just a sprinkle of salt. Sprinkle. I love my vegetables fresh, so I'm I'm so happy to announce that this right here is ready. Okay, so now that my food is ready, I'm going to be introducing you to the bestest swallow for this amazing soup. Ever heard of true unripe plantain flour? Let me tell you about this product, guys. True unripe plantain flour. Of course, you're guessing right. It's another AGRO product. It is 100% natural, no additive added. It is so healthy. I need to meet the owner of this AGRO because this man cares so much about the health of human beings. This product is really, really, really amazing. Okay, so let's start. Who says cooking is not interesting? It is so interesting, and this is the sweetest part of the show where it gets to taste our meal. And I have right here with me Sammy Posh, fine boy Sammy Posh, web and media manager at iBrandTV. Hello, Sammy Posh.
Hi, MISHAEL.
How are you doing today?
Doing great.
Okay.
With what I'm seeing here, I'm perfect.
Okay, so you know what to do now.
Yeah.
I need to tell you. Okay, now this is it. You're going to do two things for me.
Okay.
After eating, you're going to rate the soup differently. And have you heard of true unripe plantain flour?
I've been seeing the adverts, but I would love to have it.
Okay, so you're going to tell us and rate this because I personally think it's the best.
Let's get to it.
Okay.
Sorry, I'd love to use this, but I like to go local.
Okay, no problem. It's totally fine.
Yeah. Let's start with this. Lovely. I really love this. I'm coming. It's still flowing.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
What do you call the name of this one again?
True unripe plantain flour produced by AGRO.
It's really lovely.
I know, right? It's really nice.
Okay, I will have to rate, but let me take this one.
Okay.
To be very, very honest, this is delicious.
Okay, so you're going to rate on a scale of 0 to 10.
Okay.
You're going to rate this differently and you're going to rate this differently. So let's hear it.
Well, I'll rate the soup 10 over 10.
Wow.
And I will rate this 10 over 10 as well.
Perfect.
The reason I'm saying this is not because I want to rate it that it's fine, but because I'm enjoying it.
Oh,
And
that's so nice.
everybody needs to come and have a taste of this, I'm telling you.
Alright, so that is it. This true unripe plantain flour is the main deal. You better go and buy your own now. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's episode. I had fun. I don't know if you had fun, but I had fun. And I'll be back next week with another interesting dish. So do not forget to subscribe. Why haven't you even subscribed? Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. I forgive you. Like, share, and comment too. Do not forget to follow us on our social media handles showing currently on your screen. We'll be back next week. See you, and I love you.